Mix all the marinade ingredients in a saucepan. Warm up the marinade on low heat just to dissolve the sugar. Add salt and pepper to taste. Cut the chicken into cubes. Pour some of the marinade on the chicken and leave in the fridge until you're ready to cook. Leave the remainder of the marinade for the chapchae. Stir fry the chicken in 2 batches until golden brown. Add salt and pepper to taste. Julienne the peppers, carrot, and onion. Soak the shiitake mushroom in warm water at least a couple hours or overnight. Cut off the stem from the mushroom. Do eggs omelette style, thin, with a pinch of salt and pepper. Slice the eggs into strips. Stir fry onion with mushroom. Add a pinch of salt pepper. Stir fry onion and carrot with a little marinade sauce and a pinch of salt and pepper. Boil Boil the noodles for 8 to 10 minutes. Rinse in cold water and drain. Add some marinade to coat the noodles well. Combine everything and mix well. Garnish with eggs. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to My Real Life Tips.